Alright, so let's not waste any time and get straight to it. So these lug nuts are going to be, okay, I guess not. So they're 19 millimeter. I don't know if that's a 17, but it wasn't like that on the other side. So let's get a smaller one. Okay, so we got an 18. I'm assuming that somebody replaced this because it's supposed to be 19. I'm gonna get our impact screwdriver. Make sure your e-brake is off, obviously. So. This one is making a lot of noise, so yeah. Cool. Jesus Christ, so dirty over here. Cool, came right out. This right here is a 32 millimeter. You guys can still see what I'm doing. Just get closer. Cool. It's 32 millimeter. Cool. You saw how easy that was? You don't gotta get no slide hammer, nothing. So this part is reusable, the rest is trash. Alright, I'm gonna go get the new wheel bearing. Alright, so I went ahead and put some grease, and this is the brand new hub. And before you install the brand new hub, just put the camera back. We're gonna need to take this ring out of the old hub, and to do that, it's actually really simple. You're gonna get a flathead right here. Just change the camera angle so you can see what the hell I'm doing. Sorry, my leg's in the way, but I need to sit and just do this. Get a hammer, just hit it, go to another angle, hit it again, go to another angle, and it comes right out like this. You can just stick this. Cool. Now it came right out. Doesn't matter whether you put it inside or outside. It's unisided, same thing. I'm gonna clean it. Clean the inside because we're gonna put I'm gonna put super glue. A lot of people like to put sealant. Unfortunately, I don't have sealant. I have JB Weld, but I never want to do that because no, yeah, I'm not gonna put no fucking JB Weld. And this is the brand new hub right here. Just raise the camera just a little bit right there. Right. Don't spray inside. Spray on the outside where I'm gonna put the sealant. That way there's no grease on it and the super glue works fine. Alright, so this is it. This is the outside face. Where is it? Oh, this is the inside, which doesn't really matter. I don't know why I mentioned that. So I'm gonna get super glue. This bottle's more than enough. Okay, I haven't opened this one. And now it's open. Alright, what I'm gonna do, just put some glue right here. Alright, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna just keep it like this so it stays, because this one, the diameter is like half, like a fraction of a millimeter smaller. So when I put it on the other side, it was just spinning. So what I'm gonna do, this is actually super drying. I'm gonna put this out in the sun, let it dry for like 5 minutes. That way I'm 1000% sure that it's good, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so this thing just dried up. You can see it's not moving, not going anywhere. Alright. Okay, you can see better now. There's a little bit of glare, but who cares? Alright, so let me put the bearing in here. It is in fact in place. Gonna get the nut right here. We're gonna install the nut. And it's a 32 millimeter. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'll put this right here. Alright, we'll go ahead and put the drum on. Alright, now I'm gonna put this back. That's it. I'll go ahead and put the wheel, and I'm gonna drive it. Alright guys, I'm just driving. Don't worry about the check engine lights for something else, but now I'm braking. No sound at all. Love it. That that little tight fit on the brake shoes was totally fine. It's driving. I'm just gassing it right now. I don't hear a single sound. I did not adjust anything. Just definitely had to just break down on its own. Yep, we're doing good. Alright, I'm just gonna call it a video for now. If you have any questions, just please let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. See ya.